Hello students, in today's art class we are going to study human body. Yes, the structure and proportion of the human body. Children, can you see here? There are three structures, one of man, another one is of woman, and the third one is of the child. Now, it is very necessary to know the general measurements, that is the proportions of the human body. The distance from the top of the head to the chin is regarded as 1 unit. See this one. Right from the head till the chin is 1 unit. 1 head face distance. The full height of a grown-up man is approximately 7.5 times that of his head. See here, the body is divided into 7.5 parts. So, when you see the proportion of a man, it is 7.5 times. And this is approximate. A tall man can be more than this. A short man will be smaller than this. So, it differs. Then, even the women's body, it is 7.5 times of the face. But in case of woman, your face is smaller as compared to man, and hence her height and her structure will be little different from that of man. And if you will see a small child's body, it is the height of the body is 5 times as compared to rest of the structures. So here we have three structures, one of man, woman and the child. So all the structures are compared with the face, that is, it is 7.5 times of the face. This is also 7.5 times, but in case of child it is 5 to 4 times of the face. So when you will start drawing, suppose this is your face, so you can make, if you are making small child, you can make 5 of this. 1, 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. And this will be the height of your small boy. And then you can just divide it by drawing the skeleton. And then you can draw the rest of the structure. Thank you.